Hello everyone, another day, another project here. Today I'm going to be working on my 2008 Ford Escape. Now, one of the things that go on these vehicles are the, not quite often, is the strut shocks that hold the liftgate and hold the glass. Now, I've already changed out the glass ones, and it's very similar to the one that holds the hatch up. I always replace them in pairs. Sometimes one will go out, but if one goes out, eventually the other one is going to be following. Now, both of them on the hatch were not functioning. Now, I already changed out one because it's easier for me to do a YouTube video with my hands free instead of trying to balance this up. I was holding this with my head, holding it up and changing it. So I already changed out the one on the right is already changed. Now the one on the left, what you do is you take a screwdriver with a narrow head, and they have these little slots here, and you just jam it in there and you pull this clip out. You don't have to pull it out all the way, it's just to release that. And the same thing up here, there's another clip at the very top, and you just pull it away. Very simple. Once that's done, you take a little pressure off of here and pull it out. So that's done. Now, this was holding up some of the pressure, so I'm going to let that down. And I'm going to get the replacement. Now the replacement, I bought a pair off of Amazon. You just have to do your model, okay? I don't know what model you have, but sometimes things change. And I already know that this fits because I checked it out online, made sure I got the right part. You just do a little research and make sure you get the right part for your vehicle. They're pretty much all the same. Now, you make sure you have it in the right position. Alright, the thick part goes up. And we just put that over the top. And we just take it. And what this clip has, if you can see from the inside, it just grabs on to that ball that's there. So we put that on and push the clip back into place. There we go, and that's in. Next part will be here. I already had taken these clips out. That's one thing you have to do with the screwdriver. You have to take the clips out. I already had done that. It's just the same. Now we have to push that up and push it on. See? That just pushes on. That's in. Okay, they're both in. So now you just make sure. Excuse me. You just make sure that's in. Just tug on it to make sure that that clip is in the right position, and do the same up there. They're both in. Nice easy job. It takes a few minutes just to do. Like I said, they're all pretty much all the same. Now, even for some hoods on vehicles, they put these on. Same procedure. They're in different sizes, so you have to make sure that the size is correct for your vehicle. Anyway, thank you for joining me. Have a good day. Please click like, subscribe, share, comment down below. Thank you.